pusher here. Live long and prosper. Yeah. Anyways, going on a ride today. It's about 69 degrees, I think. And I'm gonna go over on those old roads that I was on a while back that was all messed up from the rain. I want to see if they fixed it yet. So that's what I'm doing today. Let's see what I got for miles. 134, add 7,000 on there. Hopefully it'll be uneventful. I'm taking my weaker battery because I don't think it's as far, but hopefully it won't cause me a problem. So let's get going. Yeah, I wonder if dogs will be out here today. Oh, didn't see me go by. Oh, I like riding when it's warm. So much more fun. Guess today's my day for seeing snakes, I guess. First I thought it was a stick. I have no idea what kind it is. Anybody else know what kind of snake that is?
Why, you snake in the grass?
They say you can tell by their eyes, but I don't want to get close enough to tell. Snakes really scare me. Oh yeah, snakes. Well, they've got a lot of crinkles in them, don't they? Yeah, I don't like snakes. All snakes are poisonous in my mind. Make sure he's still back there, not coming up at me. Oh, watch him like a hawk. Yeah, the bulldozer was in the same position it was the other day, so I don't know. Maybe they fixed it already, or maybe they're fixing to fix it. You'll see. This road was really bad. Whew. Really bad. It looks like they worked on it. Still a lot of areas through here. Look like it needs help, but all those old bricks. A lot of old bricks back there. There's one of the machines they probably use to work on it. You have to dug this all out here along the side here. So maybe that'll make it better. Here's my road, my river crossing here. Yep, see if we can get across this. I wasn't counting on getting muddy today. Well, this road's been worked on. Whew. This is kind of scary riding one-handed. Kind of scary riding one-handed through there. They worked on it. It's still pretty rough though. Yeah, it's pretty much the end of the road. Made it up here. It's a little rough, but I'll go down over there and see how that other road is. Pretty much off-roading back here. It's the bad thing of if I got stranded back here, I'd have to walk all the way out because my wife wouldn't bring the car back here. Yeah, there was one main thing that really bugs me about this bike is that the front brake is the right side, which makes it, when you're going down a hill or something like this and you're trying to record, makes it pretty hazardous, especially with your dominant hand. I've learned to put the front brake so you really have to squeeze it in order to make it work. It almost went over the handlebars. Almost went over the handlebars once when I hit the edge of a little bridge crossing, and my hand squeezed and that made the front brake lock. Yeah. So from that time on I learned that I don't want to have that one very tight. There's probably a way to switch it, but I haven't done it yet. And then I wonder if I could get used to it after riding so many miles. 7,000 miles, over 7,000 miles with it that way. I'd have to learn all over again. Most of the year the water goes over this road right here, except when it gets really dry out. A little scary going one-handed. But they did a lot of work along this edge here too, looks like. But by the end of the year, it'll be all messed up again probably. It really flows through here sometimes. Well, that was pretty adventurous. So I'll head down the other road and see what that one looks like. Oh, it's one of the biggest hills I ride down here. This next hill is so long and it has a turn at the end, it's too scary to ride. Because like I said, the right hand is the front brake, and I always hold my phone or my camera with my left hand. That's what it looks like though. Yeah, it looks like they fixed it. Fixed it and then it washed out again. Ow! Ow! Last time it was really bad. Oh, here's some in the road up here. This is pretty bad yet. One right down the middle of the road. That's about 1.5 feet deep. Some spots. Squirrel crossing. Squirrel! Squirrel! Well, it's kind of hazardous doing this. But at least it's passable now. This road gets really soupy and it's hard to drive on. Makes you wonder how they maintain roads in the olden days. We got big machinery to do it now, but I suppose they did it with a team of horses. Every stick I see now is a snake. That one's a little bit too straight to be a snake though. But every time I see a stick now, I think it's a snake. See if I can make it up this hill. Oh, I couldn't get up much speed because the ruts are so bad down there. This is a steep hill. One of the steepest I ride. Pretty steep. Feel the burn, feel the burn. Whew. And then down the other side. And then feel the burn again. Oh, that's rough. And then down another hill. Well, I think I'm gonna head for the house because got my weak battery. Only went 10.5 miles, but sometimes these weak batteries, they'll let you down with 2 bars, and I don't want to walk today. It was pretty windy today, so I could be pushing it. So I don't want to be pushing it. So, head back toward the house, I guess. Well, there's where we ended up. So, probably would have been all right to go further, but there's my total. Add 7,000 on there. Overall, it was a nice ride. My beard's going crazy again, like it always does, but overall, it was a very nice ride. A little warm, got a little warm at the end here. So I'd rather be warm than cold. Alrighty, Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for watching, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
the good Lord take a liking to you.
Hallelujah.
May He spread His blessings on your trail.
Hallelujah.
May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.